CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Circle Internet stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this space that's done this for 43,000 videos in 5 years. Like, no one else has come even close, and through all these reps I've seen what's printing and what's not and shown you guys. Especially with this, like, I'm in such a crazy call out here where it's already a break even, and it's risk free. You know, it's risk free. Here's the before. Just from yesterday, like, the price was 21 hours, video was made 21 hours ago. It was 196.
Ideally, I see a full candle.
And like, when was 15th of July? Well, let's check if you don't think that it's a guaranteed plus 0. R, but I'll add 3 dots to that as well. And yeah, that's where we're sitting at. 15th of July, this is 16, this is 15th, you know what I mean? So if you move this, you will see it says 16 here, 15 was right there, just the day before, you know what I mean? So I'm sticking to this. The previous have also been longs. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned with CRCL and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.